Hey baby, you wanna come over and play some Scrabble tonight? You know, it's our favorite thing to do on Saturday.